Laugh. Make the spontaneous sounds and movements of the face and body that are the instinctive expressions of lively amusement and sometimes also of contempt or derision. Number one, ridicule, scorn. Ridicule, scorn, scorn. Guffaw, chuckle, chortle, chortle. Chortle, chortle. Cackle, howl, war, ha ha, the dash, ha ha. War with laughter, hoot with laughter. Shake with laughter, be convulsed with laughter. Dissolve into laughter. Dissolve into laughter. Split one's sides. Possession. Be doubled up. Be doubled up. Be in stitches. Die laughing. Be rolling in the aisles. Bust a gut. Bust a gut. BUST. Break up. Break up. Be creased up. Be creased up. Crease up. CREASE. Crease up. Crack up. Fall about. Laugh like a drain. Chuckle. Giggle. Teeter. Sneaker. Sneaker. Cackle. Howl. War. Teehee. TEE-HEE. Teehee. Burst out laughing. Ridicule, mock, deride, scoff at, SCOFF. Scoff at, jeer at, sneer at, jib at, JIBE. Jib at, make fun of, poke fun at, make jokes about, heap scorn on, HEAP, heap scorn on. Scorn, poo, POOH-POOH, poo. Lampoon, satirize, caricature, parody, taunt, tease, torment, send up, take the mickey out of, poke malak at, MULLOCK, poke malak at, take the piece out of, make sport out of, make sport of. Those are all verbs, by the way. Noun, an act of laughing. Chuckle, chortle, guffaw, giggle, teeter, ha-ha, teehee, snigger, roar of laughter, hoot of laughter, shriek of laughter, peal of laughter, belly laugh. Something that causes laughter, a source of fun, amusement, or derision. Number one, a person who is good fun or amusing company. Joker, comedian, comic, comedian, COMEDIENNE. Humorist, wag, wit. Entertainer, clown, funny man, funny woman. Jester, prankster, character, card, case, caution, hoot, scream, riot, barrel of laughs, hard case.